Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how you can integrate RoserPay in your Android project. First of all, I will show you complete demo how RoserPay basically work. Then we will move to implementation of this project. Here you can see we have three products in our card and total amount of this card is 48 rupees. Whenever I will click on this button, pay with RoserPay button, a RoserPay activity will open and here we have options to pay with debit card, credit card, net banking, UI, UPI and wallet and pay later. I am clicking on net banking, then you have to choose any bank and simply click on pay. Okay, you can see it's basically working in test mode. You can in test mode you can choose whether to make this payment successful or not. So I am clicking on success button. After successful payment we show this dialog, order received, thank you for your order, you will receive call soon from one of our representative. This is how RoserPay basically work. So now let's move on to implementation of this project. So first of all, you have to open your build.gradle file, app level build.gradle file, and add this line, this dependency you have to add implementation com.roserpay checkout 1.6.16. Then sync this project, and next step is simply go to manifest file and in application tag type provide your metadata. In metadata name you will write com.roserpay.api key and the value would be your RoserPay key. How you will get your RoserPay key? You can type here directly RoserPay key or simply provide the reference of RoserPay key. I basically written RoserPay key in our string file and then provide the reference in manifest. Okay, how you can get your RoserPay key? Simply go to your RoserPay dashboard, log into your RoserPay dashboard. If you don't have your RoserPay account, simply you can create one. Within 1 minute you can create your RoserPay account and then log into your dashboard and then click on setup button. After that simply click on API's keys and here you will get your RoserPay key. It's basically in test mode. If you want to convert into live mode, simply you can click on this button. When I click on this button, you can see activation required. You can only use RoserPay in test mode until your account is activated. Please fill and submit the activation form to access live mode. For to activate your live mode, you have to provide some necessary document. Then you can use RoserPay in live mode. Okay. So now let's move on. Now suppose you get your RoserPay key. Simply type here your RoserPay key, and then next step is to design UI section of this project. Okay, here in this project we have simply one activity, main activity. We have written all the code in our main activity, and activity main.xml we have read all the XML design related code in our activity main.xml. Basically it's a static card page, it's not a dynamic page. Here you can see we have set all the values statically, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 18 rupees, and total amount is also written statically. Okay, and this is the pay with RoserPay button. We have called on click button. Okay, on RoserPay for this button. Whenever user will click on this button, this method on click method will call, and method name is start RoserPay. This method is written in our main activity. In start RoserPay method, first of all we show the progress dialog. We have initialized this progress dialog. Right here you can see progress dialog, progress dialog is equal to new progress dialog. Then we provide the context and set the message please wait and set cancelable to false. Okay, then here we will create the RoserPay object class checkout. This class comes from RoserPay library. As you can see, com.roserpay.checkout. Then we have to provide some necessary details for into this object. Okay, name, descriptions, currency, amount. This basically name is optional, description is also optional. You must have to provide currency and total amount. Here is tricky part about amount is, for example, if you want to pay 100 rupees, for example if you want to pay 10 rupees, you have to provide here 1000 rupees. Just add 20 after the actual value. Okay, this is how you will provide the amount. For this we have written this round method and simply we get the amount. Okay, then next step is autofill. Okay, here you can see it's also optional if you want to autofill the browser pay payment fields like this. For example, if I click on pay with browser pay, you can see the name, the email and phone number is autofilled. Okay, here you can see. Oh, sorry, I'm clicking it again, and here you can see admin at the rate idinsidenews.com 12345c. It's basically because of we have written here autofilled. We provide autofilled value, emails and contact number. Okay, if you need this, you can simply provide it. If you don't need, simply just remove it. Okay, then we call browser pay co.open. Whenever this method will run, browser pay activity will open, and now it's time to get the response. For to get the response, we have to implement interface, browser pay interface payment result listener. When you will implement this browser pay interface, you will have to override two methods, on payment success and on payment error. If payment will successfully made, then you will get response in on payment successful method. If there would be any error, you will get response in this method. Okay, in on payment error method, we simply dismiss the progress dialog, and here we have shown the torch something went wrong. And on payment successful dialog, simply we have dismissed the dialog and show the custom dialog. In show custom dialog, we simply have provide the layout. It's basically order received, thank you for your order, and we show the custom dialog here. Okay, after clicking on OK button, we simply dismiss the custom dialog. So this is simple how you can integrate browser pay in your Android project. I hope so you understand. If you still have any question or query, you can ask me in comment section. I definitely will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.